Do you want to learn Python but don't know where to start? Don't worry, in today's video I will make it super simple for you. Let's begin from absolute basics. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Veins. Today's video we are starting our journey into Python programming. But before we jump into our features or writing complex code, need to understand one very important thing. What exactly is programming? So, what is programming? Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever thought about how a computer actually works? Programming is a simple process of giving instruction to a computer to perform a specific task. Think of it like this. If you tell a person, make a cup of tea, they understand and follow steps. But computer is not smart like humans. It only understands clear step by step instruction. So we write those instructions in the way that computer can understand, and that is called programming or program. Okay, so what is a programming language? Now the next question is, how do we give instruction to a computer? We use something called programming language. A programming language is like a bridge between humans and computer. It allows you to write instruction in a structured way. There are many programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, Kotlin, many languages. JavaScript is also a very popular language. And today we are going to learn Python. What is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted-based language. Now don't worry. If that sounds complex, let me simplify. High level means it is easy for humans to read and write. Interpreted means it runs line by line, so it's easier to debug. That's why Python is one of the most beginner friendly language in the world. Okay, where is Python used? Now you might be thinking, where do we actually use Python? Python is used in web development, artificial intelligence, data analysis, automation. That's why Python is in huge demand today. Okay, I think it is clear. Now the next part is running your Python first program. Let's take a online compiler. Programming is the good compiler, so we have to learn our first program. I mean, we have to run our first program. So we do not need any kind of compiler. We have to just check is it working on or not. So let's check. Nice. It is perfectly working. So this line tells to the computer to display hello world. on the screen. As you see, hello world is on your screen. Now, when we run this program, the output will be hello world, right? Let's understand what happened. Where? In this program, right? Let's understand this little deeper. Print is a built-in function in Python. It is used to display output, right? And the text inside quotes. Quotes means what? This. This is double quotes. This is single quote. This is single quotes. Okay. So this is quotes. So text inside the quotes are called string. Why this matters? This small example may look simple, but it teaches you a very important concept. Computer do exactly what we tell them, no more, no less. That's why writing correct instruction means code. That's why writing correct code is very important in programming. So today we learned what is programming, what is a programming language, what is Python, where Python is used, and how to run a basic program. In next video, we will explore the feature of Python and understand why it is so powerful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.